Okay, hey, Dr. Gilmore here, and good Thanksgiving morning to you. We're about 20 minutes away from our live broadcast. We're going to be talking about nutrition and some of the special challenges that Thanksgiving can offer us who are vegan or whole food plant-based. So I wanted to share a little video I made of the DW and the darling daughter working on some meal preparation while I just had returned from going out to pick up one of the older offspring. So I'm going to see if I can make this work. Abby, good morning. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
And you're helping get ready for Thanksgiving. Well, it's not really a dinner, it's a brunch, right? No, just a late lunch. Dunch. The DW says it's dunch. Dunch. So what's your job this morning?
I'm making the mashed potatoes.
You are peeling potatoes for mashed potatoes, okay. And so what could turn a healthy mashed potato starch meal into an unhealthy non-vegan meal? How would that happen? Butter and
cream cheese. And
I thought they used sour cream. Cream cheese?
in my potatoes I used cream cheese, butter, and I can't remember if it's cream or half and half, but I have both.
Yeah, so I won't be eating any of that.
I'm going to pull you some out and do some soy milk and margarine.
Thank you, I appreciate that. So is there any special technique to peeling potatoes? Looks like you've done a pretty nice job. You might be able to get a job in the Army.
Oh, and Lowry's. Lowry's is the secret to everything.
Lowry's, I love Lowry's.
It's the secret to excellent Pioneer Woman mashed potatoes.
Okay, and I notice over here in the sink you have something amazing happening here.
I have butternut squash, mushrooms, onions, asparagus, cauliflower. Let's see, I know I have more than that. Let me see, I can't remember what all I cut up. Oh, Brussels sprouts.
Brussels sprouts, I saw those. Now, are you going to also do some? Are you also going to do some baked or broiled Brussels sprouts and cauliflower?
I'm going to just roast all of it.
You're just going to roast all of
in
that
garlic.
That looks fantastic.
I'm going to roast all of it in garlic, but I'm letting it because I cleaned it and rinsed it and cut it all up, so I'm letting it.
So I am going to be grateful for this as my birthday/Thanksgiving meal.
So you're going to get a little brown rice and a little bit of mashed potato to your liking, and then that's your Thanksgiving.
Right. So this right here should make up 80% to 90% since it's already got the mushrooms in it, and then the starches should be about 10%. So you are awesome. Have I told you how awesome you are today?
I have stuffing in the oven, in the fridge that I've already made that I need to heat. That's not vegan.
See the Grinch
and
to-do list.
And then my girlfriend is making me a fried turkey, or her husband is. I'm going to pick it up in a little while.
All right, so that's for the non-vegan
members.
Thanks,
Leanne. Thanks, Gordon.
Non-vegan members of the family.
Since I just decided to do this yesterday, since I'm working and had a wedding, I wasn't going to do Thanksgiving, and now we're having people over.
Well, I just think it's amazing what you've prepared here for me.
So now I got to get the iced tea.
I'm looking forward to that. Okay.
We're going to have green beans and yams. You can have those too.
All right. Awesome.
So, and we've got key lime pie, chocolate pie, pumpkin pie.
Which I doubt those are vegan.
Probably not. They probably have eggs.
That's okay. You guys can have those. I'm going to eat what's there. Yeah. Okay. So that's the fam getting ready. We middle child, my youngest son, in the back room watching a little show, kind of staying out of the way, and the older one probably be here closer to 2 o'clock when the rest of the family comes over, the in-laws, for our Thanksgiving Day dinner. So anyway, so I'm going to wrap this up real quick and upload it, and then check with Sue so we can be ready to go. Should be fun, and I'm looking forward to it. You guys are awesome. See you in a few.